Well, the event taking place here today was very exciting for me personally because I started teaching in this district 23 years ago, and I actually taught with Carol Hughes. And that memorial is very touching to me to actually see that from this side as a principal, because my number one goal is for every child to leave here literate, of course, and we do all that we can to inspire a love for literacy and becoming a reader. And having the athletes come over from the college is so very empowering to the students to get to see that they also read and that literacy has been important in their lives. I'm just very appreciative of all that UCM does for the schools and the opportunity for us to be a part of that in a number of ways. Not only helps us become better teachers, but it certainly has an impact on our students and their learning.
We started the literacy program in 1992 after my first wife, Carol, passed away. She was an elementary speech pathologist, liked working with kids, enjoyed teaching them to read and working with their speech. And so, and she loved the student athletes at the University of Central Missouri. And so I thought this would be a good way to leave a legacy for her by buying books for our student athletes to take into the classrooms and to read to the students. And we've been going for 20 years. It's been very well received, both by the Warrensburg School District, but our student athletes really enjoy going to the schools and reading to the kids.
I think it's very important. You see those kids at the games and they know you and know who you are, so if you can go out and interact with them a little bit better on more of a personal basis, then I think it really means a lot to some of the kids that really need that role model in their life, and then to other kids, they just think it's really cool that we come and hang out with them. So I think it really means a lot, not only to the kids, but also to the student athletes as well. So I think it's a great program.
I would say almost all of our student athletes, all of our 500 student athletes at a different point in time made to go to one or more of the assemblies. I know Bob Jackson the other day when we were at Ridgeview said that one of our student athletes had gone to every one of them. So I think it just depends on their time schedules and if they're able to get away from campus between classes and their practice schedules. But I know they really enjoy doing it, and we really appreciate them doing it.
With me, there were two other people, Alex Dean and Preston Oaks, and all three of us went and read in a group together, and it was a good experience for everyone. That's actually my third or fourth time doing it, so I was the veteran of the group, so it was a really good time.
This is my third time coming here, and it's second time this month, so I enjoy coming and talking to the kids and stuff like that, and it kind of makes you feel important and stuff. You come up here and everybody kind of looking up to you and stuff, and I think it's important for the kids to learn how to read because later on, you get in college and stuff like that, it's a big part of school, so it's a huge part of school, so I think it's important.
Being able to just show them how important reading really is, because when I was little, I didn't really read very much, and you learn, you struggle as it gets older, especially with college and stuff. It's like harder and harder, and the kids that were just like read a little bit, even 10 minutes a day, so you just try to encourage them, more than that, just being good little kids, and just helping their parents and stuff. We try to incorporate, if they say something about chores in the book or something, we try to tell them, ask them if they do chores at home and stuff, so it's just a fun way to interact with them.
I think a day like this is important for our student athletes at UCM to interact with elementary school students, to be able to show them the importance of reading, just to be able to be around them and let them see how much they're looked up to. And so I think the elementary schools also know it's important to be able to get the new books that the Literacy Fund provides.
Today was awesome. The kids were so excited to be having company come, and they were ecstatic that they got to see Mo and see the athletes, and then the book. They totally enjoyed having the UCM athletes read to them. They were so cute. They were just laughing hysterically and say, "Oh, that's my favorite part." The UCM students were very good to ask them, what is your favorite part and what happened next, and some good skills went on. And then afterwards, the children started asking questions of the UCM students and what they were going to do after they got through with college, and the UCM students tied it in how they were going to use their reading and their education in their future career. The students really need to know that there are people out there that use these skills that they are learning, and it's not just for reading a recipe or anything, it is for a future career. And the UCM students are wonderful role models to come in and, because they're not a lot older than our kids. Our kids are 6 and 7, and they're probably 20, so they can see that, hey, this might be me someday. And the children also wanted to tell what sport they played, and so it was really neat that they also wanted to share, like the UCM students shared with them. Now they wanted to share what was important in their life. So it was a very good connection.
For the past 20 years, UCM student athletes have visited elementary schools in Warrensburg to promote the importance of reading. The best part is all the books the student athletes read to the youngsters are selected by the school's librarians, and they stay at the schools for students to enjoy for years to come. Those books are purchased through the Carol Hughes Memorial Fund as a way to honor the late wife of UCM Athletic Director Jerry Hughes and Carol's career as a teacher and educator. Over $20,000 worth of books have been purchased over the 20-year history of this outstanding program. Thanks to Principal Ginger Cochran, first grade teachers Mrs. Runke and Mrs. Bond, and all the students and staff at Ridgeview for letting us tag along for the visit. In just a moment, we'll tell you where all the Mules and Jennies are competing this weekend as Sports Page rolls on after this.